right, Marquise, we've been getting quite a show today with all that rain, but once it's out of here, we're going to get a nice cool down.
Yeah, a pretty big cool down. As a matter of fact, we've been trending warm throughout the month of February. Temperatures have routinely peaked well above their seasonal average in the middle of the 80s, but tonight we're dropping down into the 50s, and tomorrow we'll be lucky to break into the 70s. So the cool air, well, it's filtering in as we speak, and that'll make for the very first day so far throughout the month of February that will peak below our seasonal average tomorrow. Now, towards the middle of the week, temperatures will rise once again. We'll be tracking a new area of low pressure working its way in from the Gulf. That'll increase your temperatures, but also increase your chance for another round of precipitation here in Central Florida. But here's where we are in Orlando. Pretty ominous looking sky here. Overcast conditions are present. The rain is still lingering. 64-degree temperatures with a breeze from the west, and the winds have now reorientated, right? We did see that southerly breeze to start off the weekend. Now it's beginning to shift from the west to the north, and with that northerly flow, we are all cooling down. Lots of 60s across the board here in Central Florida, 59 up north in Palm Coast. Looks like you've cooled substantially over the last 15 minutes in Melbourne. At the start of the show, your temperature showed 80 degrees, but right now with the rain moving in, you've cooled down to 71. And over the last 24 hours, take a look at this. It's a substantial change. Anywhere west of the I-4 corridor, temperatures are 15 to 20 degrees cooler than they were just 24 hours ago, and that is the power of the cold front displayed right here. Still moving across Central Florida, and we're trying our best to squeeze out those last few showers. Keep in mind, nothing of the severe variety today as far as the storms are concerned, but we have seen the rain, and we certainly have seen stronger, gustier winds. We'll work our way from north to south. Looks like the showers that were over the Daytona 500, those are pushed offshore, so I wouldn't be surprised if they do resume the events rather shortly. Out towards Titusville, Port St. John, you guys are watching rain push off towards the east, but where we still have ongoing showers, some of them a little bit heavier. That's between Winter Haven and Haines City if you are in Polk County. We've seen the most substantial rain to our north. We're talking about accumulations right around an inch in northern Marion and also Flagler County, between 3/4 and a full inch there. But the winds were the story today. Take a peek at your peak wind gusts. We've seen winds above 40 miles per hour from Ocala through Midway, DeLand, the Kennedy Space Center, and Azalea Park at top with 47-mile-per-hour gusts. Rain will eventually come to an end in Orlando, and you'll see the sky begin to open up. That opens up the door for cooler temperatures, and what's been a warm month will finally see some change coming our way. So far, it's the second warmest start to the month of February that we've seen on record, with temperatures just above 82 degrees. So today we were back at 84. On Monday, we'll cool down to 68 degrees as we stay dry. Good forecast for golf. Just bring the jacket outdoors with you. We'll see this cold front begin to fade away, but moving in from the Gulf Coast on Tuesday into Wednesday is this area of low pressure, and that'll make for a soggy middle of your work week. As we take a look at the GFS accumulation, rainfall accumulation, we do see about an inch to 2 inches to our north still through the middle of your work week, as we'll finish it off on Wednesday with more showers. Cooler temperatures slide in on Thursday. We're back in the upper 60s, and we're not going to see too much change after that. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday all have highs of 66 or 67 degrees.